Ever scrolled through your phone, seen those sleek investment apps, and thought, that looks easy, but is it going to bleed my wallet dry? Specifically, have you wondered about Raiz? You've heard it mentioned, maybe seen a friend using it, and the concept of microinvesting sounds appealing. But the big question lingers, do you have to pay for Raiz? Let's cut through the noise and get straight to the point. The answer, like most things in finance, is nuanced. Yes, there are fees associated with using Raiz. However, it's not a simple case of a flat monthly charge for everyone. The cost structure is designed to be accessible, especially for those just starting their investment journey. Think of it like this: Raiz offers different tiers, each with its own fee structure. The most common one, and the one most beginners gravitate towards, involves a monthly fee. This fee is designed to cover the costs of managing your account, providing the platform, and facilitating your investments. It's not a fee for every transaction, which is a key point to understand. But here's the catch, and it's a good one: if your account balance is below a certain threshold, Raiz often waives the monthly fee. This means you can dip your toes into investing without immediately incurring costs. It's a smart way to encourage smaller, consistent contributions and build confidence. Now, it's important to understand what you're paying for. You're not just paying for the app itself. You're paying for the convenience of automated investing, the diversification offered by the various portfolios, and the ability to round up your daily purchases to invest the spare change. This automated approach is a significant benefit for people who find traditional investing daunting or time-consuming. Beyond the standard monthly fee, there might be other costs to consider. For example, if you choose to invest in specific portfolios with higher management fees, those costs will be reflected in your overall returns. However, Raiz is transparent about these fees, and you can easily find them within the app. Let's address the elephant in the room: are these fees worth it? That depends entirely on your investment goals and your personal financial situation. If you're looking for a simple, hands-off way to start investing small amounts regularly, the convenience and accessibility offered by Raiz can be valuable. The fees are designed to be proportional to your investment, so they don't eat up a significant portion of your returns, especially when your account balance grows. Essentially, Raiz operates on a model that aims to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. They provide a platform that simplifies the process, and the fees are part of that service. The key is to understand the fee structure, consider your investment goals, and decide if the benefits outweigh the costs for you. So, do you have to pay for Raiz? Yes, in most cases, but the fee structure is designed to be manageable, especially for beginners. The possibility of fee waivers for smaller balances further reduces the barrier to entry. Ultimately, it's about weighing the costs against the convenience and potential returns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.